Students, welcome back to the class 8. So in the last class we have started with the exercise number 2.4. In the exercise number 2.4, in the previous video we have solved the first and second and fifth example, and some two examples I have told to solve by yourself, and you already have been sent me on my WhatsApp number. Okay, so dear students, some students still they are not solving, so try to solve today and just go through that problems, and you have to send me on my WhatsApp number. Okay dear students, so in the last class we have started with exercise number 2.4. In the 2.4 we have completed with the some more 3 questions of exercise 2.4. In this video you are going to learn some more questions of exercise number 2.4. Okay, so dear students, so look after the first 6th question. The 6th question says there is a narrow rectangular plot reserved for a school in the Maholi village, and the length and the breadth of the plot are in the ratio 11:4. At the rate of rupees 100 per meter, it will cost the village panchayat rupees 75,000 to fence the plot. What are the dimensions of the plot? Okay, so dear students, so once again see the question. The question once again I am going to repeat. That is, there is a narrow rectangular plot reserved for a school in Maholi village. The length and the breadth of the plot are in the ratio 11:4. At the rate of rupees 100 per meter, it will cost the village panchayat rupees 75,000 to fence the plot. What are the dimensions of the plot? Means one plot is there for in a school for Maholi village. They are calculating the length they are given. They are given breadth. They are told to find the fence the plot. What are the dimensions of the plot they are asking? What is the length and the breadth of that fence they are asking? Okay dear students, all right, let the length be x. All right, let the length be x. Let the length be x, and if the length is x means the ratio is, let the first I write let the ratio be x. First you change let the ratio be x means you should write the length. The length will be, that is length will be, that is how much it is, that is 11x. Similarly breadth, the breadth will be that is 4x. Okay, so dear students, they are told to find the perimeter of a rectangle. So you know the perimeter of a rectangle. So what is the perimeter of rectangle, dear students? So perimeter of rectangle is how much? It is 2 into L plus B. Okay, so this is perimeter of rectangle format 2 into L plus B, and this is multiplied with the rate 100. This is multiplied with rupees 100. Okay, so dear students, so you know that is it will cost the village panchayat rupees 75,000 means you have to use 2 into, that is L. L is how much? 11x plus breadth is how much? That is breadth is how much? That is breadth is 4x, and this is multiplied with 100, which is equals to 75,000. This is 75,000. So this is the given equation. So given equation, now see the dear students, so this is 11x plus 1, this is 15x into 100, which is equals to 75,000. So now this is 15 into x is 30x into 100, which is equals to 75,000. So now this is again I am going to solve here. This is 30x. So this is x is equals to, that is 75,000 whole divided by 30 into 100. So this 2 0 get cancelled, this 0 get cancelled. So remaining is x is equals to 75 by 3. So x is equals to, this will get, this as 3 2s are 6, 1 remains, 3 5s are 15. So now this is x is equals to, you have 25. So let x is equals to 11.5 means what will get the length. So therefore length So just write the length of the rectangular required. So therefore length is equals to, you have as, that is 11x, which is equals to 11 into 25. And similarly breadth, so first to calculate length, 25 into 11. So this is 1 5 is a 5, 1 2 is a 2, plus similarly 1 5 is a 5, 1 2 is a 2. So this is 5 7 2, 275 length we required. So this is 275 meter length we required. Okay, so write this. So this is 275 length we required. Similarly breadth we have, that is breadth is equals to, we have, that is how much it is, 4x, means it is 4 into 25. So 25 4 side is 60, is it? So this is 25 into 2 is 53 is, again sorry, so this is 25 into 100, 25 4 into it is 100. Okay dear students, sorry for that. So see here 4 5 is a 20, 4 2 is a 8, it is 100. The breadth we required is 100. Okay dear students, so dear students, the length is we got, so 275, and the breadth we got as 100. Okay, so please go through this problem and note down the sixth main, that is exercise number 2.4, that is the sixth question. Please note down. Okay dear students, now welcome back to the one more question of exercise number 2.4, that is 8th question. Half of herd of a deer are grazing in the field and 3/4 of the remaining are playing nearby. The rest 9 are drinking water from the pond, and find the number of deer in the herd. Okay dear students, the question says half of herd of a deer are grazing in the field and 3/4 of the remaining are playing nearby. The rest, the 9 are drinking water from the pond. Find the number of deer in the herd. So dear students, so here let the number of deers be x. Let the number of deers be x. Let the number of deers be x. And let the number of grazing be is x by 2. Let the number of grazing deers, that is grazing deers, is x by 2. So this is x by 2. Okay dear students, first given that the number of deers be x, number of grazing deers is x by 2, and remaining are playing. Remaining are playing means what it is? Remaining are playing means it is 3/4 of x minus x by 2. And totally how many drinking water? So 9 are drinking water deers. So drinking water deers is 9. So this is given thing in the question. First let the number of deers be x. Next let the number of grazing deers is x by 2. Next remaining are playing, that is 3/4. Given in question 3/4 of x minus 2, and drinking water deers is totally 9. So this is the given question. So now what is the equation you will get? That is x by 2 plus 3/4 of x minus x by 2 plus of 9, which is equals to x. So this is the according to the question. So x by 2 is nothing but that is number of grazing deers plus remaining are playing, that is 3/4, that is x minus of 2, x minus x by 2, and drinking waters are 9. So this is the given equation. Okay, so see here dear students, now see solve this equation. So this is x by 2 plus 3/4, you multiply this inside. So this is 3x by 4, and this is also minus of 3 into x is 3x minus 4 to the 8 plus of 9, which is equals to x. Okay, so dear students, what you do, x by 2 you take this side plus 3x by 4 minus of 3x by 8. So this is minus x by 1, this is equals to minus 9. So plus x terms take on the LHS and constant term, it is plus 9 sent to RHS, and this will become as minus 9. Okay dear students, so 2, 4, 8, 1. So the LCM of 2, 4, 8 is, the LCM getting this as 8. Okay, so you can note down this LCM is equals to, you can getting this as 8. So this is 2 4s are 8. So this is 4 2s are 8. This is 8 1s are 8, and this is 1 8s are 8. So this is 4 into x is 4x. Next plus 3 2s are 6x minus of 3x. This is minus of 8x, which is equals to minus 9. Okay, so dear student, now I'm going to solve this. So see here, this is 6 plus 4. So this is 10x, and this is how much? 8 plus 3 minus of 11x. So 11x by 8, which is equals to minus 9. Okay dear students, so this is equation you are getting this as. So what is the equation you are getting? That is 10x minus of 11x. So I am going to solve this here. That is 10x minus of 11x whole divided by 8, which is equals to minus 9. Okay dear students, so now see 11 minus of 10 is minus x by 8, which is equals to minus 9. So this is minus x is equals to minus 9 into 8, which is equals to minus of 72. So minus minus get cancelled. So our required answer is x is equals to 72. So x is equals to, the number of deers is 72. You can write the number of deers is x is equals to 72. Okay dear students, so please note down these two problems, and some more problems are remaining. Like these two problems are remaining, that is you have to solve by yourself, and you have to send me on my WhatsApp number. This completes your exercise number 2.4. Okay dear students, please note down these problems.